Note now, smoke and wildfires in Canada is beginning to creep down into the U.S. for a second straight year. Last year, wildfire smoke triggered poor air quality alerts here in our region and across the country. Meteorologist Caitlin McGrath is here now with a renewed warning from health experts. What are they saying, Caitlin?
Well, Lorenzo, for the second spring in a row, Canada is battling several large wildfires, and some of that smoke is once again drifting south. Thousands of Canadians are under evacuation orders, with several fires having been deemed out of control. The smoke, which contains harmful pollutants, has even lowered the air quality in parts of the U.S. While it's still nowhere near the dangerous levels seen last summer, health experts say we can now expect this regularly as impacts of climate change help fuel larger fires that can spread more quickly. Doctors recommend staying indoors as much as possible during times of poor air quality because the risks can be severe for everyone.
Having increased rates of bronchitis and asthma, wheezing, having itchy, irritated eyes, but also your lungs are the conduit between the air outside and your bloodstream. And so those particles get into your bloodstream and they can cause heart attacks, they can cause strokes, they can, in the long run, cause increased risks of lung cancer. And so there's a lot of risks to having all of the smoke in the air.
A study from the journal Nature out last fall found globally more than 2 billion people are exposed to at least one day of wildfire smoke each year. That's a nearly 7% increase in the last decade.